Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time for a quick video on how to clean stained pavers. Now, as you've seen in my previous videos, I love using pavers for patios and driveways and pathways because they give you this wonderful variety of colors and textures, all kinds of creative things you can do with these pavers on your patio. So we were doing a particular job not too long ago where we were installing pavers on a multi-level terraced kind of backyard. And we were doing this in conjunction with the pool getting renovated. The pool was getting reshaped, replastered, and recoped. And so we were kind of working hand in hand with these pool guys who were doing what looked like a really good job, putting some Pebble Tech on this pool. Now, notice in the background the two guys in white boots, the supervisors, walking around. Unfortunately, these two guys walked right through something and tracked white footprints all over the patio. And they came back and thought, oh, we'll just clean it with vinegar. That was a gigantic mistake because all the vinegar did was spread the plaster everywhere. The water stains, the white stains just got on every single part of the patio because when the water and vinegar mix, they spread it everywhere. So that's definitely the wrong way to clean pavers. If you're trying to clean these kind of stains off, or wine stains or something like that, you want to use something like this Techniseal Paver Restorer. This is specifically designed to clean stains off of pavers, off of concrete. Here are some of the inside instructions. Definitely use it as directed. Then basically the way it gets used is it gets mixed in a certain ratio in a 5-gallon bucket, and then you pour that into a watering can or an applicator, a pump sprayer, or something like that, and you apply it per the directions of the number of gallons per square foot on it. And then you have to scrub and scrub and scrub and rinse and scrub and rinse and scrub. And it is time consuming, but this really is the only way to really dig down into this porous surface and get the stain out of it. You pour it in, you scrub, and then you rinse it with the garden hose. And then notice what these guys are doing. They're actually making sure to be really careful not to let this go into the backyard drains which then filter in the storm drain. They're actually going to shop vac all this up and pour it into the sewer system, which is the right way to do it. You should never let these kind of chemicals go into a storm drain system because that can eventually get back into the water supply, and these are chemicals, of course. So in the case of something this size, they carefully shop vaced it up. It actually took 3 days to clean all the damage off these patios, to get it looking really, really wonderful like it was before. So again, scrub, clean, shop vac. There's a link in the video description for more information about this Techniseal product. Definitely click on that to get more information. And you can get these at Lowe's or Paver stores, hardware supply stores. And when it was all done, it all looked just fabulous with these pavers. Now, one more thing I'm going to say, it's real important when you're doing a paver job that you seal the pavers as soon as possible. Because that will protect the pavers or brick or concrete. So definitely seal pavers once it's dried and ready to be done. Well, that's about all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.